In this video, how to unblock on LinkedIn. I will show you step by step how to unblock someone on LinkedIn. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone or go to the LinkedIn website. Log into your account using your email and password. After logging in, click your profile picture at the top of the screen. Now click the option called Settings and Privacy. Inside Settings, find the section called Visibility. Scroll down until you find the blocking option. Click Blocking to see the list of blocked people. You will now see all blocked profiles. Find the person you want to unblock. Click the Unblock button next to the person's name. LinkedIn will ask for your password to confirm the action. Enter your account password to continue. After that, click Confirm. The person will be removed from the blocked list. You will now be able to view their profile again. You can also send messages or connection requests again. This is how you can easily unblock someone on LinkedIn.